Welcome to the Web Sketchpad viewer. The viewer serves several purposes. For starters, it's a place where students can interact with Web Sketchpad models that you assign to them, and then save and download their work. The viewer is also a place where you can upload your students' web sketches to see your entire class's work on just one web page. Finally, the viewer is a great resource for students to present their constructions to the entire class. To begin, let's assume you have created and shared a web sketch with your class. Your students can go to the viewer page and tap Load Sketches. They then navigate to the Web Sketchpad file you provided them, for example, rhombus.json. Students select the file and choose Upload. The web sketch now appears, and students are ready to begin their assignment, in this case, to construct several rhombuses using different collections of tools. When students are done, they can tap the Utility menu, choose Download, and give the file a new name. Now, imagine that I've received all the completed rhombus constructions from my class. To open them, I'll tap Load Sketches and navigate to the files. And rather than just pick one web sketch at a time, I'll choose all of them to open them simultaneously in the viewer. I can now see the work of all my students collected on this one web page. I can scroll up or down to move from one student to the next, or I can tap a name in this list to move directly to that student's construction. I can change the order of the web sketches by dragging students' names up or down, and if I want to delete a particular web sketch, I can drag its name to the trash. Notice that the web sketches maintain their full interactivity in the viewer. I can also use the tools. I can add a new blank page to a web sketch by tapping New Page. I can also clone a page of a web sketch to keep students' work intact while making updates to the copy. And I can also copy an entire web sketch by dragging its name to Clone. When it comes time for a class presentation, students can use the same viewer page displaying all their classmates' web sketches at once. This allows students to scroll through their classmates' work, interact with their constructions, and compare and contrast the variety of ways to build a rhombus.